Do you know that the husband plays a very important role in supporting your wife through their pregnancy journey? You guys are a team together. You can help to give them a nice relaxing massage or even cook nourishing soup and enjoy together. So today in our episode, I have invited famous singer-songwriter Derek Ho, and we will be sharing a herbal recipe cooked in 2 ways, as a sweet dessert and also as a savory soup. So Derek, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Let's go.
Today I'm going to teach you how to bowl tong.
Yes, that's great news because I'm Cantonese. It's supposed to be in my blood, but I have no idea how to do it at all.
It's very easy. Just wash the herbs, blanch the chicken, and then add it all in and cook it. But before that, let me introduce what soup we are preparing today. It is the Revitalising Solomon Seal Herbal Soup. 玉竹自英补汤.
That sounds like a tongue twister. Can you repeat that again?
Revitalising.
Revitalising?
Yes. So it helps to revitalize the yin.
Okay.
You know yin?
Yep.
Yin yang is a balance. Means that it's a force that is either opposing or complementary to one another.
Okay.
Yin and yang. So it helps to revitalize the yin, moisten your lungs.
润肺.
润肺, yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
It has a very cooling nature to it, which is absolutely perfect for a singer like Derek.
Oh yeah, it's perfect. My concert is coming up. So
Yes, under the hot weather now, you can get really heaty. And the other characteristic of this soup is it can be prepared in 2 ways, as a sweet dessert and also as a savory soup.
And we are going to do that today?
Yes, we are.
Awesome.
So let me introduce the 3 main ingredients to you first. And the first ingredient will be Solomon Seal Rhizome, 玉竹. It helps to nourish the yin and also moisten your lungs.
Oh.
Yeah, it has a very cooling kind of effect.
Okay.
The second ingredient will be lily bulb. It helps to warm the heart, calms the mind, and also relieves dry throat and cough. So the third ingredient is barley. Barley is a very nutritious grain, high in vitamins, mineral, and fiber as well. Yeah, it has a diuretic function which helps to reduce the water retention and also dampness in the body. Also, not only that, it's of a cooling nature, which is absolutely great for hot weather like now, but pregnant mothers need to be cautioned against drinking too much.
Oh, okay.
Always drink in moderation.
Taking note for my wife. Yep. Okay, sounds simple enough, but how exactly do we cook this dish?
Wash, blanch, and cook. Wash the herbs, blanch the chicken, and for the dessert I prepared pear, or you can even use apples at home, and just add it into the pot and cook it all together.
That's it?
Yes.